If you're a buyer in Cypress right now looking for a newer home under $400K with 5 bedrooms, a first floor primary suite, and a resort style amenities in a master plan community, I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. Most buyers in this price range are getting 3 bedrooms, a smaller lot, and a home that's 5 to 10 years old. What I'm standing in front of right now breaks that mold completely. This is 21254 Catalina Palm Drive in Marvida, a 2023 Smith Douglas build with 2586 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a game room, a medium room, and it's all listed for $389,900. I'm Christian Walsh, realtor with CB&A Realtors right here in Cypress. I specialize in master plan communities like Marvida, Bridgeland, Town Lake, and Dunham Point. I'm going to walk you through every room of this home so you know exactly what $389,900 is getting. We'll get you. Let's go inside. The moment you step through the front door, the first thing you notice is that wrought iron staircase. It sets the tone for the whole house. This isn't a builder basic home. The finishes were thought through. You've got luxury vinyl plank flooring running through the main living areas, soaring ceilings, and a layout that immediately feels open and connected. We're going to head left and work our way through the first floor. Then come back here and head upstairs. Let me show you the kitchen first. Here's where this home really earns its stripes. Granite countertops across the board. 42-inch upper cabinets, a large island that opens directly into the family room. So whoever's in the kitchen is never cut off from the rest of the house. You've got a gas oven and a stovetop, stainless appliances, including a dishwasher, disposal, and a pantry right off the kitchen. The layout flows into the dining room combo, which makes this space genuinely functional, whether you're cooking for 2 or hosting a crowd. One thing worth calling out, this is an Energy Star home. The appliances, the HVAC system, installation package, all built into higher efficiency standard. That definitely matters on your monthly electric bill in this Texas heat. So just off the kitchen, you've got your laundry room. It's got electric and gas dryer connections, so you've got flexibility depending on what you have. The washer, dryer, and refrigerator don't convey in this sale, so plan on bringing your own or budget accordingly. Right here on the first floor, you've got your half bath. Perfect for guests. Clean, functional, and exactly where you want it when you're entertaining. Back out into the family room, and this is the heart of the first floor. There's the gas log fireplace. It anchors the room. And because the kitchen island opens directly into this space, the whole area feels connected, like a connected living zone. Well thought out. The floors carry consistently through, and you can feel how the layout was designed for everyday living, not just photographs. Now, let's talk about the primary suite, because this is a big deal. The primary bedroom is on the first floor, and for a lot of buyers, especially if you've got aging parents, a growing family, or just want your bedroom away from your kids, that matters. The room itself is 14 by 13, which gives you real furniture flexibility. Now, step into the primary bath. You've got double sinks, a separate shower, a soaking tub. There's a walk-in closet en suite right off the bathroom. This is a primary suite that checks every box without having to step a foot upstairs. Now, let's go ahead and head back to that wrought iron staircase. Everything we just looked at. Kitchen, family room, primary suite, laundry, half bath. That's the entire first floor. Now let's go see what's upstairs, because this is where the 5-bedroom, game room, media room story really get interesting. So we get to the top of the stairs. It's going to open right into the game room. It's a 15 by 14 room space. Not a rug on it. It's actually functional space. You can put a sectional in here, a pool table, really just a family flex space. And it's big enough to do it right. So coming out of the game room, down the hallway, first door on the left, it's 14 by 11, secondary bedroom, good natural light. It has a walk-in closet. You could use it as a dedicated home office or what have you. Continuing down the hallway, first bedroom on the left is 15 by 12. Again, a real size bedroom, not afterthought like you sometimes see in homes at this price point. Every bedroom in this house was actually built to be used. Okay. And now straight ahead, the end of the hall, the third secondary bedroom. This one comes in at 14 by 14. It's the largest of the 3 secondary bedrooms upstairs. Walk-in closet, plenty of space for the full bedroom set. This could easily be your guest suite if the primary downstairs is taken. Now, this is worth stopping on. Right here is the media room. I want you to notice something. No windows. 0. This home has no exterior windows, which means if you ever wanted a true home theater, blackout theater, well, this is it. It's built in from the start. No curtains, no blackout shades, no workaround, just a dark room. Its purpose, built for a projector, surround sound, and a real movie experience. This could be your theater room, your game room, set up your recording studio, whatever you want it to be. Windowless, private, quiet room. This is one of the most unique features in this house. Okay, and then now you got this full bath upstairs. It's right off the hallway. And it is for, it's got, tub, shower combo, vanity, serves all 3 bedrooms. It's clean and functional, ready to go. Now we walk back down the hallway, back to this game room or this secondary living space. So let's recap what we just saw. 5 bedrooms, primary on the first floor, 4 more upstairs, 2.5 baths, a game room that doubles as a second living area, a media room with no windows that's ready to become a home theater. All of it in a 2023 Energy Star build in Marvida with a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, pickleball courts, dog park, splash pad, and tennis courts, all included in your HOA. The list price is $389,900. This home was originally listed at $435,900. That's already been reduced $46,000. And the seller is motivated. At $150 a square foot for a 2023 build in a master plan community in Cypress ISD, this is a conversation worth having. If you want to schedule a private showing, or you've got questions about what an offer would look like, what your offer would look like, call or text me directly at 281-750-2915 or find me at ChristianWalshHomes.com. I'm Christian Walsh in Cypress. And yes, I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon.